How's it going, everybody? Eamon here, and this is a basic video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with variables inside Macros Engine. So the first type of variables is the text variable. So to create a text variable, just when you see this variable field, you can use set variable or any other task action that uses variables. So you can just use set variable. So just select the if you don't have variables already, you can go and create new variable by clicking on new button and specify your variable. For example, if you want it to be local, if you're having a multi-threaded application and you want the variables to be unique to the threads you're opening, make sure it's local. And if you want it to be global, just keep it unchecked. And you can specify a value to the variables by typing anything in here, like you can also set the value of another variable that you previously created, like this tag over here will be replaced by the actual value of the variable once it's executed. So you can just set the test variable like this. You can select it from the list and change the value like this. You can also assign Macros functions to it, system Macros functions, or you can insert a Macros function from here, any sort of Macros functions you want, and it will be assigned to that variable so you can use it in your application. So that's variables. Let's look at the list variable now. So the list variable will allow you to add more than one value to a list. You can create a new list by clicking the new button next to the list field like this, and you can assign a name to it. Make sure it's unique, and you can add a value to the add item. This is the item, of course, that you're going to be adding to that list. So that's how you create a list. And just to work with lists, there's a lot of task actions that will allow you to interact with lists. Regex to list, for example, just scrape data from text and save it to a list. JSON path to list, scraping JSON path data from a text and saving it to a list, and so on and so forth. We have also tables. You can create a table by doing the same. Next to the table field, you just click on new and create a new table. And to select it, just select it from the list and select it like that. Just we have also a bunch of task actions to allow you to interact with tables. To get the value of a table cell, you can use Macros functions and just go to table, table category and just click on get table cell. Select the table and the row index and the cell index, and yeah, the value field is not needed, so just disregard it. And that's it for tables. We also have dictionary variables. This is a new type of variables that we added recently to Microsoft Engine. It will allow you to add items to dictionaries, create dictionaries of course by clicking new and creating a dictionary just like that. If you want it to be local, just check it. If you don't want it to be local, just create it like this, and item name and item value. So a dictionary item consists of two values: the item name that will identify that dictionary item, and the item value, the value of the dictionary item. If you have something like this, like username for example, that's how you add items to dictionary. You can also use delete from dictionary, select dictionary, and just just type username here. If you want to delete the username, delete the username item from dictionary, something like that. And to get the value of username from the dictionary, new dictionary, just use the mux function. There's a mux function for it, and dictionary, yeah, category, and just get dictionary value, select it, and specify the dictionary variable in username, for example, and it will give you Bob22 if you do this. Of course, you can do it in the delete item, just for example in an alert. Something like this. If you want to show the value of username inside that dictionary, just do this and it will give you the value of username, which is Bob22. So that's about it for this tutorial. I hope it was useful to you, and yeah, that's it for this. Stay tuned for more tutorials and have a nice day. Bye bye.